How to back up your Shopify store. Hey guys, welcome back. So if you want to back up your Shopify store, you have two options. You can do this either manually or with an app. So if you want to do this manually without any third-party application, simply open up your Shopify store and go into Products. Once you click on Products, you will click on Export over here. And you can export everything as a CSV file to keep as backup. Then you're going to go into your customers and then click on export and export the customer files as CSV files as well. And then lastly, you're going to click on online store in the left panel. And then once you open that up, you will see your current theme. Now in this, you will see a customize button and three dots. So you're going to click on that and then just click on download theme file and you will simply be mailed your theme files. And in this way, you can back up your entire store manually. However, if you want to do a simpler method with an application, you can simply go into settings, go into apps and sales channels on the bottom left, open up the Shopify App Store, and then just search for the Rewind application. So if you just search for Rewind over here, you will actually see this application called Rewind Backups, and you can install this and then choose to create real-time backups and easily restore and recover your Shopify store. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.